When it comes to enhancing the value of a property, homeowners and real estate investors often look for improvements that offer a significant return on investment. One of the most effective yet sometimes overlooked upgrades is window installation. Whether you're renovating your home in the heart of New Orleans or preparing to sell your property, new windows can provide both aesthetic and functional benefits that impact your property's overall value. The unique climate of New Orleans is known for its unique climate, characterized by hot, humid summers, mild winters, and frequent rainfall. With the year-round humidity and occasional storms, homeowners face challenges in maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home. This is where quality window installation becomes critical. Installing new windows, particularly those designed for energy efficiency and durability, can significantly improve your home's comfort while enhancing its curb appeal. Energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose to replace windows is for energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single panes or outdated seals, tend to allow air leakage, making it harder to regulate indoor temperatures. This leads to higher utility bills as heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain comfort. In a city like New Orleans, where air conditioning is essential for much of the year, the impact of poor window insulation is particularly felt. Installing energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple glazed windows, can reduce heat transfer and minimize the need for constant heating or cooling. These windows are designed to trap heat inside during winter and block excessive heat during summer, which ultimately lowers energy consumption. The result is reduced utility bills, a more comfortable living space, and, importantly, a higher property value. Homes with energy-efficient upgrades are often more attractive to potential buyers, especially in regions with fluctuating temperatures. Curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. Windows are not just functional, they also play a major role in the overall appearance of a home. Whether you live in a historic New Orleans home with traditional architecture or a more modern property, the right windows can transform the look of your property. New windows offer a fresh, polished appearance that enhances curb appeal and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you opt for traditional wooden frames, contemporary vinyl designs, or sleek, modern glass, upgrading your windows gives your home a facelift that appeals to potential buyers. In a city like New Orleans, where architectural styles range from Creole cottages to grand, multi-story homes, window design can be a significant factor in attracting prospective buyers. For historic homes, new windows designed to replicate the original aesthetic can maintain the charm of the property while improving efficiency. Meanwhile, modern windows can provide a sleek contrast to a more contemporary home. Investing in attractive, high-quality windows can increase the marketability of your home and make it stand out in a competitive market. Protection and durability. New Orleans is no stranger to inclement weather, from heavy rains to hurricanes. The city's unique location near the Gulf of Mexico means that homes are susceptible to storm damage, including broken windows. Installing high-impact windows can offer additional protection during stormy seasons, helping to safeguard your home and avoid costly repairs. For homeowners, this added protection can offer peace of mind and a long-term investment in their property's integrity. High-impact windows are specifically designed to resist breaking upon impact, providing increased security and reducing the risk of property damage. In areas with frequent storms, these windows are a selling point for potential buyers who want a home that can withstand the elements. Homes with durable, storm-resistant windows are seen as more resilient and can command a higher price in the market. A sound investment for future resale. Whether you're looking to increase the value of your home for an eventual sale or simply want to improve your living space, new window installation is a wise investment. The benefits of enhanced energy efficiency, improved curb appeal, and added durability create a property that stands out in New Orleans' competitive real estate market. For homeowners planning to sell, investing in new windows can yield a higher asking price and attract more buyers. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for a home that offers modern conveniences, such as energy-efficient windows, which lower long-term costs. Moreover, these buyers may be more inclined to pay a higher price for a home that has been upgraded with quality windows, knowing they won't need to invest in window replacements anytime soon. Conclusion. In conclusion, window installation is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's value in New Orleans. The benefits of energy efficiency, curb appeal, protection from the elements, and long-term durability make it a smart upgrade for any homeowner. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or are preparing to sell, new windows can enhance both the functionality and marketability of your property, providing an excellent return on investment.